So how long does it take to settle a personal injury claim? And what should you expect? After your injury, how long will it take you to get the settlement you deserve? In this video, I'm going to break down what you can expect, what can cause delays, and how to make sure you're not settling for less than you deserve. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of how long personal injury cases typically take, the biggest factors that can slow things down, and how to navigate the process efficiently without compromising your compensation. I'm attorney Lloyd Bourgeois, Louisiana personal injury attorney, and I spent years helping injured people just like you fight back when insurance companies try to take advantage of them. If you've been injured by another party's negligence and you need someone in your corner, give my team a call. So how long does an injury claim take? Filing an injury claim is the easy part, but how long does it actually take to get a settlement? The truth is, there's no one-size-fits-all approach or answer. Some cases settle within a few months, others take years. The key factor? Severity of injury and the amount of money at stake. For minor injuries where fault is clear and medical treatment is completed quickly, you might see a settlement offer and a resolution within a few months. But in other cases with severe injuries, ongoing medical treatment, or disputes over who is at fault, things are going to take longer. The reason is simple. Once you accept the settlement, you can't go back and ask for more money later. That's why it's crucial to wait until you've completed your medical treatment, or at least reach maximum medical improvement, meaning your doctors can say with confidence what your future medical needs will be. Settling too soon could leave you with unexpected medical bills that the insurance company won't cover later. Another factor that affects the timeline is the negotiation process. After you submit a demand letter detailing your damages, the insurance company almost always comes back with a lower offer. Then there's some back and forth, and negotiating a fair amount can take time, especially if the insurance company tries to delay things, hoping you'll get frustrated and accepting less than you deserve. If negotiations stall, then we have to file a lawsuit, which can extend the timeline even further. But don't let that discourage you. A strong case, backed by solid medical records and expert testimony, puts pressure on insurance companies to settle rather than risk a trial. So what actually causes delays in a personal injury matter? Look, if you feel like your claim is dragging, you're not alone. There are a few reasons why these things take longer than expected, and understanding them can help you prepare for the process. As mentioned earlier, the major factor is the severity of your injuries. If you're still receiving medical treatment, it's in your best interest to wait until you know the full extent of your injuries before accepting any settlement. Why? Because once you sign a release and accept their money, you can't go back and ask for more money if complications later arise. Insurance companies know this, and they may purposely slow down the process, hoping to put you into some financial stress, which will cause you to settle early. Another reason for delays is how cooperative the insurance company or their attorneys are. Some insurance companies and attorneys are more willing to negotiate in good faith, while others like to drag things out by requesting unnecessary documents, disputing medical treatment, fighting every little fact. Some ignore calls and emails. If they think you're desperate, they're going to use some delay tactics to add some pressure into your life. They may even give you some lower offers and hope that you'll take them. This is where having an attorney can make a huge difference. When an insurance company knows you have legal representation, they're less likely to play games, and they know you won't accept anything less than what you deserve. When you're in litigation, court delays are another factor that can lengthen how long the matter takes to resolve. Even if you don't plan on filing a lawsuit, the insurance company knows if they refuse a fair settlement, your attorney's going to take them to court. This back and forth and the court process can add months to years to the process. But in some cases, just the threat of filing a lawsuit is enough to get a fair offer on the table and get the case resolved. Finally, external factors like court backlogs, medical evaluations, expert witness availability can all slow things down. And while you can't control everything, what you can do is make sure you're working with an attorney who stays on top of your case, keeps things moving, and doesn't let the insurance company stall for no reason. So what's a realistic timeline? How long should it take? In straightforward cases with minor injuries and low policy limits, you might see settlement offers and resolutions in as little as 3 to 6 months. But even then, it's important to evaluate whether it's truly fair offer before accepting. For cases involving moderate injuries and bigger policies where ongoing treatment may be required, you're probably looking at about 6 months to a year, maybe a little longer. The more treatment you need, the longer it's going to take to fully understand your medical cost and your medical future, which is going to be key to securing a fair settlement. For serious injury cases where permanent disability, extensive surgeries, or long-term care is involved, resolutions can take 1 or 2 years, many times longer. These cases require expert evaluations, medical testimony, and extensive litigation when the insurance company is refusing to play fair, or when there's questions about what exactly happened or what your injuries were. The good news? Once a settlement is actually reached, the process speeds up. Here in Louisiana, insurance companies are required to issue a payment within 30 days of a signed settlement agreement. If they fail to pay on time, they could face additional penalties, including damages and attorney's fees. That's why once your case is settled, you can expect to receive your check fairly quickly. The most important thing to remember, patience pays off. While it might be tempting to accept a quick settlement, waiting until you know the full impact of your injuries ensures you don't walk away with less than you need to recover. Settling and resolving a personal injury case isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Some cases resolve quickly, others take time. But the key is making sure you don't settle your case too soon or accepting less than what you need to cover your medical bills, lost wages, and future expenses. If the insurance company is dragging its feet, stalling, or trying to lowball you, don't let them pressure you into a bad deal. If someone you know or care about has been injured and you're looking for an experienced attorney who will fight to get you the compensation you deserve, reach out to my team today. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and check out my next video.